to our 365 Daily Devotion Bible Characters Edition. So ngayon ay patuloy pa rin natin pag-aaralan ng ating series at ang paksa natin ay kung ano nga ba ang nangyari sa Sodom at Gomorrah, particularly sa buhay ni Lot at sa kanyang pamilya. So, choosing where the heart belongs. So Lot was the nephew of Abraham, a man who walked closely with God. So from the beginning now, Lot benefit from Abraham's obedience and faith. He saw firsthand how God blessed Abraham with provision, protection, and promise. Yet when the time came for Lot to choose where he would settle, he lifted his eyes and chose according to sight rather than spiritual discernment. So the plains near Sodom appeared fertile, prosperous, and full of opportunity, but they were also deeply corrupted by sin and rebellion against God. So Lot's later rescue from Sodom shows both the mercy of God and the danger of divided loyalties. So God sent angels to pull Lot and his family out of judgment, commanding them to flee and not turn back. Lot's wife disobeyed, meaning that her heart was still attached to what God was destroying through she physically left. So no, her affection remained there. So this account reminds us that salvation is initiated by God's mercy, but obedience reveals where heart truly belongs. So Jesus later pointed to Lot's wife as a warning, teaching that anyone who clings to this world will ultimately lose what really matters. So sabi nga sa Genesis chapter 19 verse 15 to 17, and when the morning arose, then the angels hastened Lot, saying, Arise, take thy wife and thy two daughters which are here, lest thou be consumed in the iniquity of the city. Escape for thy life, look not behind thee, neither stay low in the plain. No. Escape to the mountain, lest thou be consumed. So sabi sa katawan natin, sinasabi dito